Hi.
What?
Oh, you need me to walk? Okay.
Open, open.
What are we doing? What are you doing?
Open.
Oh, we need to get Mickey unbuckled? Okay. There we go.
The alpaca. Okay, alpacas. A second. A second.
What?
A second.
Chicken? Where?
A second. A second. A pound. A pound.
That is a bag of chicken. Mommy's cooking your dinner. Mama's cooking your dinner right now. Do you need something? Are you hungry? Don't pull on that. It'll fall. Isn't that cold? It came out of the freezer. What are you doing?
Over here. Over here.
Oh, don't pull it down. Don't pull it down. Don't pull it down. What are you trying to do? Are you hungry?
Or that. A mousey. A mousey.
A mousey? I don't see one.
A mouse.
Where?
A mouse. A mousey. A mousey. A neck. A neck.
You need a snack? Do you think you can wait for dinner?
A pound.
You're just looking for anything to
A
eat.
milk.
Would you like some milk? Okay.